Good morning. My name is Leon Jones. My major is computer graphics technology. Now, my main goal is to take courses at this campus, then transfer over to the main campus so I can get into building information modeling. Now, my experience with 3D and animation is such that I've used Inventor in the past, which is a mechanical software, and Revit. I took a Revit course at Ivy Tech, and currently at work, I use Revit because my passion is for infrastructure. I like buildings. So I design buildings at work. I work for the Indiana Department of Natural Resources as a civil engineer. And what I plan to get out of this course is to learn how 3D animation works so I can improve my skills on building information modeling. Now, I've been in the construction and civil engineering industry for 30 years. I have an undergraduate degree from Temple University in engineering technology. I have a master's in civil engineering with a focus on construction management from the New Jersey Institute of Technology, and I have a second master's in critical infrastructure systems from the New Jersey Institute of Technology. And a big hobby of mine that I enjoy is cooking. And lastly, I served 17 years in the United States Navy as an operations specialist and engineer's aide. Thank you for listening.